Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you a real simple way to be able to do a lot easier detail wood carving than having to hold this whole Dremel in your hand with the Dremelflexshaft coming right up. Okay everyone, for all you that don't know me, my name's Jordy Johnson at Carving Fusion. Here we do power carving, lots of Dremel carving. So this is a Dremelflexshaft. Sorry, I do not have a brand new one. I think they're like $35 Canadian, so probably about $27 American. I'll show you exactly how it comes in the package. You'll get the Dremelflexshaft. You'll get this little silver nut. This is a square drive. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is a square drive. Now, inside this flex shaft is a square drive too, and you'll get this little wrench. Okay, so pretend you have your Dremel already. Let's take this burr off. Get the burr out of there. We'll take this top cap off. We'll take this nut, this black nut on here. Okay, and inside here you will have a collet. Okay, take the collet out, and all we'll do, like I said, you'll get this when you buy the Dremelflexshaft. This will come in the package. All you do is you put this on here. Screw it on fairly tight. This collet goes in your handpiece, okay? So let's slide the collet inside there, and we'll put this black nut on your handpiece, because this collet and this black nut was once on your Dremel itself, but you have that nut on there now, so you don't need this and that on there. So we'll tighten that up, put it in there. Okay, we might as well put a burr in there. Guys, this is a Kutzall burr, extreme flame. If you want to get one of these Kutzall burrs, you can go to the Kutzall site listed below in the description. Use this code CFusion and you'll save your 5%. This one's a little bit worn down, but you guys, if you want to get into really good wood carving, get yourself one of these spiky burrs like this, Kutzall, and your carving game will change. So anyways, we got that nut on there. We got this ready to go for your handpiece. All you do now is you put this square drive, this is an inner flex shaft inside the Dremelflexshaft. Okay, you pull this out, you put it inside here, because that nut square drive, and you tighten her up. Okay, stretch it out. There you go, it's tight up, it's good to go. So now there, it's connected. Okay, so let's turn it on and see if this was just spin. So now that you have this hooked up, you leave the Dremels have a hanger on them. Come on, pop out right here. So you hang this up somewhere off to the side. You don't kink up this flex shaft cable too easy, because you don't want it to snap. Now it's like carving with a pen. Total 100% game changer. Get yourself a Dremelflexshaft and a good Kutzall carving burr, and your wood carving game will change, and you'll become, well, a lot more happier, and everything will be a lot more easier. It's like holding a pen or a pencil when you're carving. This will even hold little tiny carving burrs like these ones, you know. So anyways, hope this helped. Carving Fusion, over and out. Sorry everybody, just to answer early questions, yes, this Dremelflexshaft will work with Dremel 100, Dremel 200, like Dremel 3000, Dremel 4000. It works with the Dremel 8220, the cordless Dremel. The only Dremel I know that it will not work with is the Dremel Advantage. Okay, the Dremel Advantage has its own flex shaft, but the Dremel Advantage is discontinued. Thanks everybody.